LibriVox.com to browse from around 2,000 free ebook titles on PDF, EPUB and Kindle formats. This site put in an effort to show a customized cover on every ebook that they have, which adds to the appeal of the site. To start browsing, just go to eBooks menu here. From here you can browse all the list, by author, category, newly added, scanned PDFs, short books, reading list, and book series. Let's try all books. It will show you at the top how many pages they have for the list of books. And below you can browse through all of them. The cons on this site is, it has no search functionality. When you go to the search menu, it will just let you search the keyword from Google, Yahoo, or MSN. Not from their ebook library, which is really a weird design if you ask me. Let's try browse by author this time. And select I to J. Let's try Jerome K. Jerome. Let's open one of his books. From here you can download the ebook on a PDF, EPUB or MOBI format, which is really nice, since most ebook sites does not have PDF format readily available. Let's try to download a PDF here. There you go. You now have an ebook, which you can put in any of your device to enjoy. Aside from the lack of search, you also have no way to customize the sorting the ebooks list. And your only way to filter the contents is to use the pre-formatted menu links from the eBooks menu. Those are the downside of the site. Next site that'll feature is LibriVox, which is located at LibriVox.org. This is an audiobook-only site. Contents of the site were contributed by LibriVox members, voluntarily of course, and the audiobooks should comply with regulatory formats and law as well, to make sure that everything you can get here are all legal. Unlike Global Gray, search function is available here. Let's try searching fantasy. There you go. You can also browse for audiobooks by author, by title, by genre, and by language. You can readily see the number of contents per item here, which you can see is massive. Let's try to go to English. From here, you can readily download the zip file of the book. Or you can click the title link to view more options. You can also download the zip file here, do iTunes subscription, RSS feed or download via torrent. And here at the middle, you can listen online to the audiobook, which is nicely segregated by chapters. If you like listening to a book rather than reading, LibriVox is the best place for you. I personally like audiobooks more than reading since I can do it while I'm doing my daily jogging. Let's move to probably the most popular site in this list, which is Project Gutenberg. Just go to Gutenberg.org. This site contains more than 60,000 titles of ebooks. To start reading, go to the search and browse menu, where you can do a content search using a keyword. Let's try searching for fantasy again. You can filter the search result further by subject or using the bookshelf content. In addition to that, you can also sort the search result by title, quantity or release date. Going back to the search and browse, we can also go to the bookshelf, where you can browse for an ebook by category on an alphabetical order. Let's try fiction here. It will then drill down to a more detailed category under fiction, which makes it easier to pinpoint the exact book you are looking for. You also have an option here to view the frequently downloaded ebook from the search and browse menu. This will show you the hottest downloaded ebooks from yesterday, a week ago and a month ago, all subcategorized by ebook title or by author, each listing the top 100. This level of browse and search is unique here in Project Gutenberg, which I think is one of the biggest reasons why this site is the most popular. They make it really easy to find the ebook you are looking for. Let's try opening one ebook here. Each ebook can be read online, or you can download them from 3 different download locations of Dropbox, Google Drive or OneDrive, on EPUB 3, EPUB, Kindle and plain text format. As you might noticed, there's no PDF format here. But there is a workaround for that. Just go to the Read This Book Online link, which will open the whole book in an HTML format. From here, you can then go to the print menu of your browser. In this case I am using Chrome. In the print dialog box, choose the destination to be saved as PDF. Once you save it, it will create a PDF file of the book for you, which you can copy to any device you have and take it with you anywhere to read. Last item in the search and browse menu is the offline catalog, where you can find more information about their ebook catalog, along with their social media pages where you can connect with other people in the community. And maybe request books that they can add to their catalog or any other enhancements to the site. Project Gutenberg is not popular for nothing. I think they are the most comprehensive and user-friendly site from this list of free ebooks and audiobook sites. Last item on our list is Standard eBooks, which you can visit by going to the URL standardebooks.org. This is the youngest site on this list, which only started on 2015. Understandably, they also have the smallest catalog of ebooks, with only around 700 titles. But that's not to say that the site is not mature enough. I believe this is the most professional-looking ebook site from the list, and it also uniquely provides more insights to their ebooks by providing word counts, minutes you have to spend reading them and reading ease scores, which are really helpful before you start committing to a book. You can go to the ebook menu to start browsing. You can filter by subject or genre and can also sort the result by release date, by author name, by reading ease score and by length. You can also change the view between grid and list view and choose how many records to show per page. Let's try searching for fantasy again. And you will have a search result here nicely laid out with the individual book covers. Let's try opening one book here. And you can see the best feature that standard ebook provides here, the total word count of the book, along with the average time length you need to finish the book and the reading ease score of the book. Great insights to know before starting a book. Below, you'll have the links to download the ebook on EPUB, AZW3, KEPUB and advanced EPUB formats. You can also read them online. One option is to read them organized by table of contents. This is a nice organized way to read online, but this is not ideal when you want to save the whole book as a PDF file, since this only loads one chapter per page. If you want to save the whole book as a PDF file, you will need to go to the Read on One Page option, which will load the whole book in one HTML page. With this, you can then do the print to PDF trick and save the whole book as a PDF file for your own local copy. And I guess that's it for this video. I hope this helps you fill